Bostik's new innovation, Roll-Cote, is the most versatile high-performance moisture vapor barrier coating and primer ever. It is a ready-to-use, one-component and no mixing required product that is rapid drying and can be ready for most types of flooring installation in less than 3 hours. It may be applied to green concrete, properly prepared concrete, wood-based subflooring, plywood, high-performance subflooring panels, OSB, radiant heat flooring, and cement-based terrazzo prior to the installation of self-leveling underlayments and floor patches, porcelain, marble, granite, or ceramic tiles, carpet, vinyl, VCT, and engineered or solid hardwood flooring. Recommended for CSP between 1 and 3. The installation process is quite simple. When using it over concrete before the installation of self-leveling underlayments or cement-based mortars, you just need to clean the substrate. Make sure it is sound and stable, and apply 1 or 2 coats of Roll-Cote depending on the level of protection you're looking for. When using it over highly porous concrete substrates or as a primer, you would need to first apply a 1-to-1 diluted with water coat before applying 1 or 2 neat coats of Roll-Cote. When using it as a vapor retarder for wood and OSB substrates, only 1 coat of Roll-Cote is needed. Its jet black appearance will help as visual indication of coverage and other trades traffic. For wet set, water-based adhesive installations with resilient or non-breathable floor coverings, a blotter coat of self-leveling underlayment such as Bostik SL100, SL175, SL200, or cementitious patch such as Bostik Ultra Finish Pro, Webcrete 95, Webcrete 98 must be installed on top of Bostik Roll-Cote at a minimum thickness of 1/8 inch. If using pressure-sensitive adhesives, a cementitious layer on top of Bostik Roll-Cote is not required, as long as the adhesive is allowed to flash off prior to the installation of the floor covering. Bostik's polyurethane adhesives can be used directly on top of Roll-Cote for the installation of engineered and solid wood flooring. Axios and MS-based adhesives can also be used directly on top of Roll-Cote. This set of features makes Roll-Cote the best choice for moisture vapor protection. For more information on this and many other Bostik solutions, please visit our website or call your Bostik representative.